Ragini, it can be argued that Narendra Modi has used your argument on the skull cap to throw back the argument of appeasement against you. Okay, Taslim Ahmad Rahmani raises his hand, so I go across to him. Yes, Mr. Rahmani, to you. Okay, fine. Ragini goes first. Yeah, Ragini first. Yeah.
Can I speak now?
Yeah.
Okay. Arnab, first of all, again I have to correct you on the previous comments that you make. The Congress has categorically denied tickets to those who have been accused in the 84 riots.
There was an attempt to give Jagdish Titler the ticket which had to be given up because it was questioned by the media.
What do you mean by attempt? What do you mean by attempt? The Congress did not give tickets to Jagdish Titler or to any other person.
Come on, you know, Ragini, okay, Sabha is doing a fact check on that. Sabha?
Sajjan Kumar's brother was a candidate from my seat. So many people didn't vote for the Congress because he was Sajjan Kumar's brother. So there are ways of getting around this from South Delhi seat. Just to clarify, Ragini, so you know.
Sabha Sajjan Kumar was denied a ticket.
And Sajjan Kumar was campaigning for him.
People did not vote, but the fact still remains that Mr. Ramesh Kumar won the election.
Have you
won the election, but we are moving away from the essential points. Arnab, what I'm trying to say here is that Mr. Narendra Modi has been dropping hints with respect to what he thinks about the minorities and especially the Muslim community in this country. We have to join the dots and see what is happening here.
One second. Give me one statement.
Give me one statement. Or not wearing a skull cap becomes important.
1 second.
Ragini. He presided over the riots and the pogrom in 2002.
Ragini, 1 second.
He categorically denied tickets to Muslim candidates. He called them puppies.
No, 1 second. Asifa.
He never repented or shown genuine regret.
Asifa, we have 5 minutes on the debate. I am allowing Sunil Alag and after Sunil Alag, Asifa Khan to respond.
I'm not speaking.
Yes, Asifa first.
Arnab, please give me time. You haven't given me enough time.
Asifa first.
And I had an audio problem. I'm amazed to see that people who are the least concerned with skull caps are talking about skull caps. It's as foolish to say that Arnab don a skull cap so that your channel becomes more secular. I mean, this is rubbish. Even when we go for Hajj, we Muslims do not don a skull cap. So there's absolute rubbish talking in skull cap. If you at all somebody wants to appease us, the Congress can appease us by putting the Mishra Commission report, by implementing the Shri Krishna Commission report, by implementing the Jagmohan Commission report.
It's not just a question. When he blames that wearing a skull cap is an appeasement, then there is a question.
Maulana Azad had for us.
It's not a matter of wearing or not wearing.
Who is trying to politicize it?
What
Who is trying to politicize it? Why has Rajnath Singh gone to the Shia to seek hearing?
And you appease us.
He was trying to wearing a skull cap.
In UPSC exams which the Congress government has removed.
And look at his comments.
You appease us by giving equal 19%.
I am really profoundly amazed.
Less than 5%
he doesn't even have a basic insight into the traditional cultural practices of Muslims.
They appease and you refuse. Neither they are giving anything nor and you are also
real issues and do something tangible.
Give
us justice and authority to be made. Justice and wherever give us justice in peaches and recently what are you talking about?
1 minute. I have a question for Asifa. I have a question for Asifa. The pictures on your screen. Vajpayee, Rajnath, Shivraj and Advani. 1 second. Asifa, just a minute. My question is to Asifa. Let me ask the question here. Asifa, I have pictures right now of Shivraj Singh Chauhan. When he's campaigning for the 2013 elections, he's speaking to the media, he's wearing a skull cap. Now let me show you the next.
Got your point, Arnab. I got your point.
Let me show you.
Even if you wear a skull cap and your channel is not secular,
but why
what am I doing to that?
Rajnath Singh is right now the pictures on the screen. Let me tell the viewers the pictures they are seeing on the screen. Rajnath Singh.
Come and have a fight on development. Come and have a fight on how the Muslims are doing well in Gujarat. Stop all this rubbish. You know that topi issue is not an issue for the Muslims. It is an issue for the opponents of BJP, for the opponents of Mr. Modi. It's not an issue for real Indians.
It's not just about Gujarat, it's about the entire country. I think we should have a separate debate on
this. 1 second. 1 minute, Ragini. Ragini, let me come in. Ragini, a minute. Asifa. Asifa and Ragini, please now. Both of you, I request you, please just calm down. 1 second. Question is this. Who started the debate?
Let's have a debate on Gujarat itself, on the development model of Gujarat.
Who started the debate? 1 minute. No, Ragini, 1 minute. Just give me a minute.
Essential issues discussed.
2 minutes left. Calm down.
The 57 mosques which are closed in Delhi alone. Can
2 minutes.
You do that to appease
2
us?
minutes, Asifa, please. I will not request you again. Asifa, I will not request you again. Asifa, I will not request you again. I am requesting you. I am requesting both of you to calm down for a minute.
Nothing to do with what
I am asking you. Okay, so here's a question. The pictures on your screen of Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh goes to the Baba Mir Qasim Shrine in Lucknow. This is the Baba Mir Qasim Shrine in Lucknow. When he goes to the Baba Mir Qasim Shrine in Lucknow, Rajnath Singh wears a skull cap. Now this, which you say is a rubbish argument, Asifa, this argument would not have been an argument had Mr. Modi not said that this is appeasement. 1 second. My question to you is, Asifa, please let me ask the question, Asifa. I need to ask the question to you, and you must listen now. Listen to the question. If you don't listen to the question,
there's no need for you to repeat.
No, please listen to my question. Listen to my question. Are you afraid of the question? Are you afraid of the question?
No, not at all.
Then let me ask the question.
I'm here to answer.
Okay, then let me ask the question.
You should give me time to
yes,
answer.
I will give you. But if you waste time like this, let's listen to each other. Okay, so let's listen to each other.
Do justice. Give me an answer.
Okay, so now Asifa, I am going to ask a question. Please remember, just listen to the question. Now you time. Look at your watch. I'll give you the time. 10-second question. Rajnath Singh is on the screen. Why is Rajnath Singh wearing a symbol of appeasement?
Okay. If somebody wants to wear it,
so
they can wear it. Welcome.
But he's the BJP president.
If Rajnath Singh is wearing it, very good. But if somebody doesn't
want it's a symbol of appeasement.
If you don't want to be an anchor with a skull cap on your head, should I force you? Should I force
But it's a symbol of appeasement.
It's a particular party.
Why? That is not Islam. That is not Islam.
Why can't you say that I honor the sentiment of my party? I honor the sentiment of the realist and I'm going to wear the skull cap. Why can't you say that?
90 seconds left. Sunil Alag wants to come in. Sunil Alag, was this avoidable? Sunil Alag, please. Sunil Alag, listen to Sunil Alag.
Yeah, but can I just say one thing? Look, Rajnath Singh went into a shrine. I have been to shrines. I'll wear a skull cap. So will Modi. What we are talking about at this point of
was
time
Shivraj Singh Chauhan in a shrine?
Look at his manifesto. He
was
wants
Shivraj
to
Singh Chauhan in a shrine?
To modernize. 1 second now, Arnab. I have kept quiet.
When Vajpayee went to iftar parties, was
God, this
shrine?
woman has to stop screaming. Ragini, stop screaming. Oh,
okay,
shit,
Ragini, please, 1 minute. Ragini, let him
How much he
speak.
screams.
Ragini, let him speak. Ragini, let him speak.
Finish, yaar. One line.
Ragini, let him speak. It's Sunil Alag's turn.
Oh God, yaar. Ragini, we kept quiet. We kept quiet when you were speaking. Look at his manifesto. He wants to improve madrasas. Muslims have to look at what he wants to do for them. I agree with Sabha. This is a non-issue. Please do not raise stupid arguments like this. Look at what the man wants to do for Muslims. How does he want to develop the country? How does he want to take things together? You want to hang on to your skull cap? Please keep it at home. But I agree with Sabha. Let's discuss what is to be done for Muslims.
Sabha gets the last word.
Cap or not.
Sabha gets the last word.
67 years has done nothing.
Sabha made a convincing argument earlier. Sabha made a convincing argument earlier. Ragini, listen to me.
I'm agreeing with Sabha.
Sabha makes a convincing argument that while Mr. Modi could have avoided the phrase of appeasement, and he's probably doing it to appease a certain group within the RSS, at the same time, this is not as big an issue. So yes, Sabha will have the last word tonight. Sabha.
Arnab, I want to say this whole issue of Mr. Modi has his own politics to play. Arnab, Mr. Modi has his own politics to play, but there is a section of the Muslim community which has made covering your head, women can't go here, you can't wear this into that shrine, wearing a skull cap. They have made those into public issues, and they insist they're the gatekeepers of the Muslim community. There are so many shrines across India where Hindus and Muslims have prayed together. There are many Sufi shrines, and many Hindus all over have gone there along with Muslims, and this issue of costume, dress, conservatism has not been part of the tradition. I hope in all this politics that is not lost further to us.
Right. So while we end with two questions, one is, was that a necessary argument? The other side is, should we move beyond mere stereotyping, where political parties and certain religious community leaders feel that the only way to prove your secularism is by wearing religious gear? Should that be left to a matter of individual choice? I thank everyone for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.